Hi guys, thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover about the system options, units and templates. So whenever you are going to open your Solidworks, so you can see a little tiny gear option. So it can be here in my interface or it can be anywhere. So what you want to do is you just need to click on that. So you can see if you are going to bring your cursor on it. So this is a small gear option for different options. So let's click on it, and then you would see a system options pop up. So there are two main things. The first thing is system options and the second one is document property. So the system options, these are all general system options. So no matter whenever you want to apply these things, so it's gonna applied on the all documents, all templates, all the parts whenever you are gonna open these things in the future. So all these properties or system options are gonna applied on the next templates or the parts or assemblies whatever you are gonna open. And the next thing is document properties. So these are the properties if you want to change it, so they are gonna change only the current template or only the current profile or any part environment. So this is just for the current option. So first thing first, let's go to the system options. So you can see into the system options what you can do is you can change different things like how you want to have input dimension values, how you want, do you want to use some kind of separator for dimension, or if you want to check enable confirmation corner, enable feature expert, enable freeze bar. So these are the options which are general options. Or you can see you can go into the drawings and you can have some different options. I am not gonna go into the all options here, but I just want to show you like these are the option where you can change. You can definitely put some time and you can go through all the options one by one. And look at that, you can change the icon colors, you can change the background. So let's go into the display. Hidden edges displayed as solid or dashed, part assemblies, tangent edge, how you want to display them, these kind of things. Or selection performance. So performance is really important, you can go through them. Or some other options you can see whenever you are working on assemblies or whenever you are working on big assemblies. So in this way they are going to affect the performance, so you can definitely go into the performance. And then there is another option which is default, which is, these are two really important options. The first one is default template. So whenever you are going to open your SolidWorks, so no matter if you are going to open part environment or assembly apartment, so assembly interface, so what kind of template automatically it's going to open, so you can change it from here. So what you can do is you can just add your assembly, you can add your templates here, and then what you can do is you can just select whatever the template you want to open by default. So you can select it from here and then you can change it. But the second thing is how you want to add. If you already have a template somewhere on your PC and you want to add it into the SolidWorks, so what you can do is you can just go into the file locations, and here you can see there is an option to add it. So suppose I have somewhere exercise files, or if I have some templates, you can see like into the exercise files and templates. If I have some templates here, I can select a folder. Or if you have somewhere at specific folder, let's say at the chapter 2 you have some template here, so what you can do is you can just select the folder and then you can add your path here. But I'm not gonna use this, so that's why I'm gonna delete it. So first you need to provide the path, and later on by going into the default templates, you can select your template with the whatever the template you want to open by default whenever you are gonna open part environment or assembly or drawing environment. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you. So these are two really important options, and there are some other options like whole wizard toolbox. So you can change few things here. All file explorer, this is also a nice thing to do. You can just choose the which file explorer view you want to see, or hidden reference documents or recent documents, whatever. So the next thing is document property. So as I already mentioned couple of seconds ago, like this is all about the current profile or current interface. So if you are already into a template, if you want to change some things, you can just change it, and now you would see these changes as soon as applied to this template. So you can go into the annotations, you can change different style of annotations, so how you want to add these annotations, and you can go into the dimensions, so how you want to show your dimensions, how you want to show your chamfer, hole, linear, ordinate, or radius, multiple things. So you can change, and then what you are gonna see is these changes are gonna apply on the current template as soon as you are gonna apply them here. So this is only for the current, this is not for the all general system options. Or you can see here into the units, so you can see like this is really important, like what kind of unit system do you want to use. So right now, as you can see here into the bottom right corner, we are using IPS. So from here you can change your unit system. If you are in US, so most of the time in the US, like inch, pound, second is used. But if you are somewhere else out of the US, so most of the time, most of the countries, they are using millimeter, gram, second. So if I'm gonna select from here, and then if I'm gonna apply here, so the unit system is gonna be changed. And then how much decimal system do you want? Do you want 2 decimal points, 3, 4, 5, or how much decimal points do you want? So these kind of things we can change here. Or there are some material properties, display model, or these kind of things. And suppose if I want to go into the units and I want to change into the millimeter, gram, second, I'm gonna press OK. So as you can see here, my unit system is automatically changed, but this is also a quick pop-up. So what you can do is, if you want to switch into different unit system, what you can do is you can just click, you can see here a tiny triangle, so you can click on that, and then you can see all the unit options. So you can choose whatever the unit system do you want. So if you want to skip back into the IPS, so you can just click on that, and then you are gonna move into the IPS unit system. So this was all about the unit system, how you want to control the default templates, how you want to add files or different templates. If you already have, how you would give, how you would provide the path file or these kind of things, and how you can have different changes into your templates or into your current interface. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.